thanks to you guys, folks.
As well as the star.
The Blue Star.
We got a channel called Blue Star Mancini, hope you check it out. But it's really bad, don't actually.
We have a few videos.
Hope Blake Horner's checking out this video.
Yeah.
Why they spending so much?
I would just tell you, this is Vinny's impression of fireworks. You can't even see him because it's so dark.
Show the fire. We've had our little fire there.
Is that as good as Southwood Park?
Oh, we're fine.
Because Southwood Park, everyone knows, is like one of the bigger ones.
This is our kind of bar, but you can't see.
So we'll probably just going on for a little bit longer.
Stone.
See him take the fireworks.
I think that's it, guys.
Yeah, we just come out every.
But I hope it's not, guys. But if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe.
Compared to that.
Yeah, but
It's not on your face, man. I know, guys, you can't even see my face, but bye. Bye. Wait, there's more.
Is that? No, it's not. No, it's not. Just end the video.
Guys, it's just going to go into this more.
Bits of cardboard all over the place.
This might be a 5-minute video. You might be bored waiting. There is going to be more.
Check out the pumpkin, guys.
In the description. Can't even see it.
It's so dark.
Look at the reflection.
It's the end now.
Finished.
So, guys, I think that's the end. So,
Jesus, that one
bye.